today I've got my spooky witch hat on. Spooky, 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 spooky. And I'm gonna go to a pumpkin patch and carve a jack-o'-lantern. Okay. Let's see which pumpkin to choose. Now it's time to start carving pumpkin. Before I started, I put down a lot of newspaper because it's kind of messy once you get going. So the first thing you want to do is wash off your pumpkin, and then we're gonna cut out the lid. Take my pumpkin carving tools, and you just start hacking away. I finished cutting it out, and now you just kind of pull it up. Here, I'll tilt it so you can see it. You kind of pull it up and twist at the same time. Ugh, pumpkin guts. Take one of these little tools. You just cut those guts off. Boom, pumpkin lid. The next step is we're just gonna gut this entire pumpkin. We're just gonna carve out all of its insides. Got this huge scooper. You can just use a normal spoon though. This is my first time using this one. Ugh. Oh jeez. It's a workout. Ugh. I wish I really was a witch, then I could just hocus pocus all this junk out of here. Ew. Ugh. You want to do it so that all these little pumpkin, these are gooey, so all these little pumpkin strings aren't hanging down anymore because they're really wet, and you can't put a candle in there when it's all wet. Your candle's gonna go out in 2 seconds. Ugh, look at all those guts. It's all super slimy and gross. And look, the little pumpkin, he's all carved out. He's ready for a design. Boom, taped my design on there. Then you're gonna take one of these little pokers, and if you don't have a pumpkin tool, you can just use like a safety pin or a tack, and you just poke along the black line. And 10 hours later, you'll have your outline. I'm just kidding, it doesn't take that long, but it does take some time. I poked all the little holes, and then you can take these off. Oh, that one did not want to come off. There you go, get off of here. And then your design is on the front. And you take these little tools, and now we're gonna cut them out. Oh, I have a pumpkin joke. How do you repair a broken jack-o'-lantern?
How?
Buy a pumpkin patch. Okay, let's cut this out. Cut it out, get it? Are you ready? The first piece is about to come out. So after you cut out a little section, you just pop them out. That one came out really easy. Like a puzzle piece. All right, second puzzle piece. Boom. What do you get when you divide the circumference of a pumpkin by its diameter?
What?
Pumpkin pie! Ready? Wiggling the fourth piece out. Oh, it's a little stuck. Come here. Oh, don't break. Ah. Boom. Now the tricky part. I'll turn it so you can kind of see. The witch pot. The cauldron bubbles because it's so small. And his little eyeballs. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So a little part, I'm taking this little poker from the back, and I'm just gonna, oh, it's stuck. There we go. Boom. All right, time to give my witch some eyes. Wow, that was awesome. That worked perfect. These work perfectly on pumpkins. Just gotta be gentle. I think I'm gonna use a bigger drill bit right here to make the little bubble that's coming up from the potion. So I'm gonna change the drill bit. Really gentle. Ta-da! Pumpkin's all done. Now I'm gonna light them up. And it's good, instead of putting the lid on, right on, you can just turn it a little so that the air can ventilate. Ta-da! Jack-o'-lantern. This weekend, be safe, kill lots of zombies, and have a happy Halloween. Bye. Gotcha!